Alright, you guys, so today we're mountain biking in Georgia. Yep, Georgia. And yeah, I know it's Marion mountain biking, but I gotta go places too, so I'm here for my cousins and we're having fun. We're in Dallas. Yeah, Dallas in Georgia. So, yeah, and we're at this mountain bike park. There's my cousin Simon, and then the girl. And then, I forgot her name. Alright, but I'm gonna ride now. Let me just do this. And then. Yeah. Yeah, give me a turn! Huh? I have to wear this helmet.
Like, I'm gonna jump on this thing.
You're gonna eat it.
No, imagine if somebody could like bunny hop high enough to get on.
Yeah, probably a bunch of people can.
How do you wonder then? Did she almost mess up there?
Maybe, I don't know. Wasn't paying attention. Me turn! Me turn!
Justin, you've had it for a while.
She's had it for like 15. We're doing 15, so. Alright, here we go, boys.
In 40 seconds.
What?
I was timing myself so that I wouldn't go over.
Why? I really wouldn't mind if you go over.
What?
I really wouldn't mind if you went over. Give. Ah! Alright, well, time to eat it.
Okay, hang on. In your opinion,
Huh?
the second one is dumb or not? Tabletops?
This one or this one? The orange ones?
Yeah. How hard are those?
I haven't really got air on them, but they're like, I've been rolling over them for a little bit. They're pretty nice to roll over.
I'm not really getting air.
You just have to go
I'm
fast.
going over them.
Yeah. You have to get speed and momentum. Momentum. Tabletops, you just want to get over the tabletop. Like the objective of every other jump. Alright, drop. No, I'm not doing no drop. I am gonna, there's these tabletops right here. Those tabletops. Ah! I'm messing up.
I'm pretty sure he is.
Huh?
I'm pretty sure Simon's doing that wooden feature right now.
He's like, I gotta get better than her. My hands are so sweaty, I like go like this and I almost fall off. That's why I need gloves.
Mine is sticking.
I forgot my gloves at home. 1,855 miles home. I'm gonna probably eat it.
Yeah, probably only a mile.
Huh?
Probably only a mile.
Oh yeah. I forgot my wallet.
Hey, can you do that wooden feature? Which one?
I'm gonna try a teeter-totter. I've never done one. Where? Huh?
There's a rabbit around here, by the way, and it's just kind of like going everywhere.
Yeah, I saw him. Adorable, but I want to shoot it and eat it. Oh. Mmm, yummy rabbit. Oh,
I know. I don't think I'm good.
almost fell off.
Oh, just didn't come up with enough speed.
Yeah. Those are some big leaves. I'm gonna try a teeter-totter and probably eat it because I don't know how to ride one. Go!
Oh, I would go, but I don't feel like it.
Mother trucker, dude.
Hey, dude, I was actually gonna go.
Go!
Back up.
Peasant.
Are you kidding? You're just not gonna get enough speed because of that. You don't need that much speed to do this. Dude, jump up the rock. I haven't actually done that. Because
Go!
I would do it, but you guys are too close to each other and it's making me claustrophobic and I'm not even over it.
You're not even claustrophobic. I'm claustrophobic. Oh God. That thing's scary, dude. I don't even think I could do.
Get up the lift.